Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Mr.
Ausham Khetrapal,
Author of...
The Chosen One.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
This is not the first time I'm here. I've been here 4 or 5 times earlier. And this time one of the books which has been published by you, Notion Press, The
Right.
Chosen One.
Right,
This is the second edition and we've given it to Notion Press to do it.
right,
And I'm quite happy to see the crowds over here, people coming and seeing the interest in the book.
right,
And
right.
I feel pretty good
Right.
because I think you've done a good job on the book. Now it all depends how you're going to push it.
Right.
And yeah.
Can we talk a little bit more about your book? Could you tell us a little bit more about it?
This is a book written by Kanupriya on my life.
Right,
From changing from a life change from being India's leading sports promoter
right,
to a spiritual journey and spreading the message of Sai Baba across the globe.
right.
And this is a book written, and this is the second edition, and already about 5 lakh books have been sold through the foundation.
So sir, what have been some of your challenges writing a book like this that is a very heavy, subject matter?
Well, it was not written by me. It was written by
right.
Kanupriya. So Kanupriya is no longer there, and God bless his soul.
Right,
And this was a book when she used to do the shows with me, the Sai Ki Mahima and various shows.
right.
And she decided to write this book, and the book became an instant hit.
That's wonderful. So thank you for sharing this with us. Thank you for coming here.
Thank you
I
very
hope
much.
you have a wonderful book fair. Congratulations on it.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.